What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are not going to spend too much time chatting it up. Here is the makeup look that I'm going to be showing you guys today. It is my current full glam makeup look. I get so many compliments on this makeup look from you guys on social media as well as in person. Honestly, it looks like a filter in person. And I'm not even saying that because it's on me. It really is that good. So if you're new here, I am Shelly. Your new favorite YouTuber, and if you've already been here, then it is just your favorite YouTuber. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the look. Ooh, I do not have my brow pencil. First, I need to hydrate my lips. I'm just using this Tatcha Kiss You lip treatment to hydrate. It goes on with this white cast, but then it disappears, and it's super hydrating for the lips. In order for my face to come out flawless, the base is just top priority. I like to go in with this Elemis Pro Collagen. It's the Future Restore Serum. This stuff is so good. I'm almost halfway done with the bottle, and I got it a month ago. Make sure that you really take your time with your skincare products and really let the products penetrate into your skin before you apply another product, just so that you ensure that you're getting the full benefit of each product that you apply. I'm gonna go in with eye cream. I've been using this Hero Bright Eyes. I really like that it has a metal applicator, so it offers a cooling sensation when applying the eye cream, and it's illuminating, so it'll give a little bit of brightness under the eyes. For my moisturizer, just use this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I swear by this stuff. It really helps to hydrate my skin. As you can see. And then every time I apply my makeup, this product right here I've been using consistently. It is, oh my god, it is chef's kiss. It's so good. It's the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunscreen. I do not recommend wearing this unless you wear makeup on top, because it does leave a white cast, but it is bomb under makeup. And this is why you do not wear it unless you're gonna wear makeup, because this is what you're gonna be looking like. And first, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Wear Even Hydrating Longwear Concealer, and I'm using the shade 390C. And I just apply that directly underneath my eyes and the bridge of my nose and my forehead. My blush routine is probably my top favorite part of my entire makeup routine. So I apply Toasted Teddy by Rhode first, and I just apply it here, the high point of my face, and then I put a little bit on the tip of my nose. The fact that I look like Casper is crazy. Another product that I've really just been loving is this Supergoop Protectant. It's a daily SPF tint, SPF 50, and I use the shade, what shade do I use? And I use the shade 46N. Not it just dropped on my pants that I just took out the dryer. All right, so while the concealer sets under my eyes, I'm gonna blend out the skin tint. A moment for the skin. And we blend out the concealer. And I'll have the brushes and everything that I use linked down below, don't worry. Do you guys see the way that that just blended under my eyes? This concealer is the truth. So good. And then we'll blend the forehead and the nose. And then I just flip the brush around and blend the blush. to bronze, I use the YSL Beauty All Hours Hyper Bronze, and I'm using the shade 05. I feel like I've been getting so many comments on both TikTok and YouTube about my blush combo, so let me put y'all on. You guys know I already did the Toasted Teddy. Now I go in with Savage by NARS. This one is, oh my god, it's so good. It's a old favorite of mine that I recently started back using, and I'm just obsessed with it. We were on TikTok live the other day and a few of you guys were asking me about this blush and y'all couldn't find it, and I finally found out where we can find it. Hopefully the link is still good because it was like nowhere. You can't get it in Sephora. You just, like, this blush is, I don't know, it's like gone. I don't know if NARS was planning to discontinue it or whatever, but we couldn't find it and I lucked up and found the link to it. So I will have it linked down below for you guys. It's so good. I don't even know if the camera is really picking up on how good this blush is. So after I laid that one down, I finished off with Yara, and this one is in the, this palette is like so ran down, but it's the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. And I just go into Yara and I go on top. And that is how I get my blush combo. But to tie it all together, I'll show you guys in a second. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. This is the Cherry Blossom Cake Powder. I saw today, I was in Sephora and I saw that this one is their bestseller, and I totally understand why. But I'm gonna go in with a little poof. And then I set under my eyes with this and mesh my blush together with the powder. And I really spend time like pressing it in, blending out the creases or whatever under my eyes, but really setting. This is why my under eye concealer does not crease, because I really take the time to set. Do the same thing on the other side. My forehead. I take my blush brush. I don't add any more product, but I just sort of go over and bring my blush back to life a little bit. And then if I want a little bit more of like a brighter under eye, I'll go in with this Hourglass diffused lighting powder. I'll just use my little poof, and you only need a little bit of this because it gets bright, but I just will press that directly under my eyes. And as you can see, it just brightens it up a little bit. And then I'm going to fill in my brows to do so. I'm just using this Precisely My Brow Detailer by Benefit in the shade, I honestly don't know what shade this is. I'm sure it's like dark brown or something. Fill in my brows and sort of follow the natural shape. And I just bring the pencil back and forth to give more of a natural fill. Then I go in with the Refi Brow Sculpt in the shade Clear to set my brows. I like the fact that it has like a comb and a brush side. So I just take the brush side and I use that to sculpt my brows and really shape them. I don't necessarily contour my nose, but I sort of add like a little bit of a shadow to my nose. So I go back into my bronzer with a fluffy blending brush and I just define this area. And I will bring that into my crease as well, just to add a little bit of definition. I'm gonna do a darker eyeshadow in my crease, but I use this to sort of lay down a color. I love doing an eyeshadow color that matches my bronzer, so I just use my bronzer. I'm gonna go into the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna go into this black shade. It's like jet black. And then I just take that at my waterline. Or not, I'm sorry, not my waterline. What am I saying? My lash line. And just create like a subtle wing. I'm just gonna take another blending brush, and shout out to the train for coming right now, but I'm gonna take another blending brush and I'm gonna go into this dark brown shade in the same palette, and I'm gonna put that in my crease and sort of blend it and blow it out. And as you can see, it just did what it needed to do. Do the same thing on this side. This is the Sephora Micro Smooth Multitasking Baked Face Powder, and I'm using the shade 58 Almond, and I'm just gonna use the same poof and set the rest of my face. And I set everywhere except like my under eye and my blush. Now for the final step, it's my lips. Oh wait, no, hold on. To finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna go back into my bronzer with a shader brush and just smoke out my lower lash line. And then, which this is probably one of my favorite new hacks that I've started doing, I go in with a brown mascara, and I'm just using this one by YSL. It's the Lash Clash in the shade 2. And I like it because it doesn't give like a harsh look to the lower lash line. It gives like a nice subtle enhancement to the lashes. To finish off the look, I'm just going to line my lips with the Fenty Traced Out lip liner in the shade I Wouldn't. Now you can leave your lips like this, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat in the shade Hot Chocolate. This is one of my favorite products for fall. I'm always so excited to grab another one when it's time for fall, but I like to use it as a liner. I just use it around the perimeter of my lips. I'm gonna go in with a NYX Butter Gloss. This one is in the shade Sugar High. I'm gonna put that in the center of my lips. To add a little razzle dazzle, you don't have to do this, but again, I'm going to. I like to just add a little bit of highlight, just a little bit. And I've been going back to a lot of my favorite products that I used to love like years ago. As you can see, this is falling apart, but I do not care. It's a Wet n Wild highlighter, and I just put a little bit here. And then a little bit over here, and a little bit on the nose. And then to finish it off completely, we have to set. So I'm gonna use this Professional Super Setter by Benefit. Where's my fan? And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. This is honestly my glam makeup look that I've been doing lately, and when I tell y'all I'm obsessed, it is so good. It looks so beautiful in person. I get so many compliments whenever I do my makeup like this. If you decide to recreate this look, feel free to tag me at I Am Shelly. I'm I Am Shelly everywhere. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please leave me some comments down below letting me know your thoughts. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all of your support, and I will catch you guys in the next one.